So I'm going to show you how to use the applicator. Here we go, I dipped it into the mask already. So this applicator is made of silicone, so it's easy to clean. So you just need to apply your mask onto each cheekbones and then forehead. So we're just going to keep applying, and with even strokes you just apply the mask all over the face, the chin. Just use your favorite mask. It really glides beautifully, absolutely effortless, and nicely applies it around the little corners of your nose. Here we go, you can't miss that part. And then I'm going to continue it with my forehead. You need to go all the way to your hairline, right around your eyebrow. Just sculpt your own face. It feels so nice. It's such a soft surface it has, this applicator. Then the nose, in between the brows. And you can play around with the nose, try to cover it if you can. Just the last little bit. Nice. There you go. Ready. Now we leave it on for 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Depends how much time you have.